World military ranks: Bangladesh 35, Israel 15. Total military personnel: Bangladesh 6,963,000, Israel 670,000. Active personnel: Bangladesh 163,000, Israel 170,000. Reserve personnel: Bangladesh 0, Israel 465,000. Paramilitary forces: Bangladesh 6,800,000, Israel 35,000. Air Force personnel: Bangladesh 17,400, Israel 89,000. Army personnel: Bangladesh 160,000, Israel 526,000. Navy personnel: Bangladesh 25,100, Israel 19,500. Total aircrafts: Bangladesh 214, Israel 611. Fighter aircrafts: Bangladesh 42, Israel 240. Attack aircrafts: Bangladesh 0, Israel 38. Transport aircrafts: Bangladesh 17, Israel 13. Trainer aircrafts: Bangladesh 86, Israel 159. Special mission: Bangladesh 4, Israel 19. Aerial tankers: Bangladesh 0, Israel 14. Military helicopters: Bangladesh 65, Israel 147. Attack helicopters: Bangladesh 0, Israel 48. Battle tanks: Bangladesh 320, Israel 1,300. Armored vehicles: Bangladesh 11,584, Israel 35,985. Self-propelled artillery: Bangladesh 56, Israel 352. Towed artillery: Bangladesh 546, Israel 171. Rocket projectors: Bangladesh 110, Israel 183. Nuclear warheads: Bangladesh 0, Israel 90. Nominal GDP: Bangladesh $475 billion, Israel $540.3 billion. Defense budget: Bangladesh $4.3 billion, Israel $30.5 billion. Naval assets: Bangladesh 118, Israel 62. Aircraft carriers: Bangladesh 0, Israel 0. Helicopter carriers: Bangladesh 0, Israel 0. Submarines: Bangladesh 2, Israel 5. Frigates: Bangladesh 7, Israel 0. Destroyers: Bangladesh 0, Israel 0. Corvettes: Bangladesh 6, Israel 7. Mine warfare: Bangladesh 5, Israel 0. Patrol vessels: Bangladesh 61, Israel 46.